Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video guide, you will learn how to fix GCash error. Oops, this feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower. So if you are getting this error in the GCash app, then here follow the fixes to solve this error. Now before following any of the fixes, first let me tell you that this error mainly occurs due to your Android phones running on Android version 4.4 or lower. So what you have to do, you have to check for the software update on your Android phone. So here what GCash author says about it. Hi, we understand how important your concern is. We suggest checking your phone operating system using these steps. Open the settings app on your device, scroll down to system, about phone or software update. Tap on software update or system update. Then tap check for updates or download and install, and then follow the on-screen instruction if an update is available. So here how to update your Android device. So open the settings, scroll down, then tap on system and update, and then click on software update. And if there are any updates available for your device, then please update it to the latest version, and then you can check if your error is fixed or not. Now if your device does not have any update available, then it means your manufacturer hasn't released it for your specific model yet, or your device is too old and no longer support the latest OS version. So if your device running in Android version 4.4 and lower version, then GCash app will not work on your phone. For this you have to update your phone. You have to purchase a new phone that runs on the latest version, that runs on Android version 4.4 above and later. Now if your Android version is running above 4.4 version and still you are getting this error, then here follow the fixes. First of all, check for the GCash app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for GCash and tap on it. And now if you find any update available for this GCash app, then update it. And then after updating your GCash app, you can launch it and check if a problem is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, then you have to force stop the GCash app. So tap and hold GCash app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it. Then go back, launch the GCash app and check if a problem is fixed or not. If not, then you have to clear the cache and data of GCash app. Now while clearing the data of this app, you must please back up the data of this app before performing this fix. So tap and hold the GCash app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage, and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and then confirm it, and then you can go back and then launch GCash app and check if your error is fixed or not. Now still your problem is not solved, then uninstall and reinstall the GCash app. So tap and hold the GCash app icon, then click on uninstall option and then click on uninstall to confirm. Then just restart your Android device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for GCash app and tap on it, and then click on install button to reinstall it. And once the GCash app get reinstalled, then you can launch it and then you can see if your error is fixed or not. However, I would like to suggest you that this error generally occurs due to the Android version 4.4 and lower version. So you might have to upgrade your phone. You have to purchase a new phone that runs on the latest Android version or above Android version 4.4. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to solve GCash app error. Oops, this feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.